just talking about rain B-roll, and I thought about this. I got out the window.
Nice. Window B-roll is top tier. Where is that?
Oh, my job, grand.
Oh,
I think
Grand.
that's it. Yeah.
Do you have any polo shirts that say the Grand on it?
I don't. I wish I did.
Hey guys, my name is...
Oh, not good.
You saw the whole movie? You saw the whole, like...
I did.
The whole
Yes.
movie? Hey!
Hey.
Hi there.
Hey, what's up?
Hi there.
Who are you?
Hi, I'm Chef Augie,
Chef
and I'm
Augie,
here
wow.
to cook you guys a dish.
Do you have...
Wow! What dish?
It's my specialty cake.
Do you have a cooking license?
Augie funfun yumcake. All right, guys. So welcome to this cooking video. This is Tumblethorn, and this is Gronk, and we're cooking a nice cake. And then I got a secret for you. We're cooking some cookies as a group.
Wow.
Cookie exercise. All right. So let's smack on my chef sticker.
Do I get one of those?
Yeah.
Is
of
this
course
the
you-
bridge of...
Here, you get a couple.
Ooh.
You get a couple. 4th of July, cooking. All right, let's see. You got a pan anywhere? You got a...
Yep.
You got a...
Yeah, I got a couple here. I got a couple of pans. I don't know if
okay,
you
give me a
wanted
pan. Could you get a mixer cup for me, please? A
Can
cup?
you shut your pussy?
Fuck.
What the? Who? What school? Harvard? Yale?
So, that's how we do it.
Bitch went to Princeton.
Oh, fuck, dude.
What the fuck?
Vanderbilt University.
What fucking world are you
What
from?
fucking world is this knife from? It's
Oh my god, literally the human
it's
world,
not
you
serrated
dumbass.
enough.
Take it back. Oh, I see what you mean. Look, I cut it.
Okay,
retard.
thank you. 1 second. Is this...
I don't know.
Jesus
That's fucking
Christ.
ham. Don't put it on the bread.
I'm down here
Okay.
for cooking. So what you want to do that for a nice no stick.
Joel, put the camera on me.
Okay, so we're cutting this other slice of bread now. We got the bread.
Nice.
We're gonna place it in the sheet. Now you guys follow along, okay?
Okay.
So, what we're gonna want to do now is
okay.
now get ready for this, Cheetos.
I'm ready.
Eggs. Bazinga, bazanga. We got some eggs.
Are these hard?
How many eggs? How many eggs, my man?
Maybe 2.
Two. I got one.
Let's see how it goes. These actually like drizzle.
Now we want to keep the yolk out for now. So we're kind of just giving that.
What the fuck? Am I gonna get salmonella? Should we preheat the oven? What do you mean?
Oh yeah, we need to preheat the oven.
Dude.
We actually don't. You're gonna have to eat it. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, I'm not joking. I actually have a trash can to eat it.
No, stop. We actually. What do you mean? There's a trash can right here.
You fucking dweeb.
Oh no, we actually don't have a trash can right now.
No.
Actually, yeah, just get a trash bag. You just leave it in there.
No, dude, hey, keep it there. Give it a...
You see, I just washed my hands, so we.
Where did I put my Supreme?
That is a hard bit. That is
Oh, I found it.
chicken fetus. But you know what they say, the chicken fetus is the fetus of the soul.
That's not what they say.
Yeah, you're not a chef.
Hi, my name is Victor. This is my house.
He is
my
lying.
rules.
Okay, guys, hurry up,
Okay.
please.
I literally don't know what we're doing.
So,
It's Augie's directing
now,
us, dude.
yes, I just need you guys to pay attention. I canceled high-class gigs for this.
You're literally 12. What do you mean?
We use confectioner sugar now. Okay? Supreme sticker, not putting that in there. It's a joke. So, now we need to wait for the oven to preheat, don't we?
Play some B-roll, I guess. No.
I love you.
Oh, that kiss earlier?
Is this so hot?
I can't. I cummed a little.
I
bit.
came a little too.
I cummed.
Came. Okay, guys, so we're here. Excuse me.
Oh.
We gotta get the whipping cream out, boys.
Please don't.
Excuse me. Do you have a spoon? I can borrow it.
Use your hands.
No respect around here.
What the fuck, Augie?
What?
Are you pulling shit out of your ass?
Who's eating
this?
Dude, he's a
You,
chef.
me.
Oh fuck.
Dude, he's a chef. Shut up. There are 4 pieces. There are 4 of us.
Are you actually bullshitting, Augie, or did you like? Is this safe?
This is a recipe.
It's not fucking safe.
It is safe.
Do they have a work?
put a raw egg in whipping cream, Augie.
What is?
It's all for the flavor profile. Okay, now
What is that?
Did you step back and watch?
The flavor
What the
possible
fuck is that?
Okay, so here's our very scooping.
It actually looked like someone canned, dude.
Yeah, dude. Why is there garlic?
This looks like a happy birthday cake.
This looks like. What the fuck? That's not pounding, dude.
turkey.
Okay, so this is the meal.
Meme.
Logan gets it. This is a supreme cake.
What are we doing with this?
Melvin. Oh, I almost forgot the most important part.
Wow, how could we forget the oh
Is this
fuck.
sugar? What is this?
It's sugar.
Oh, that's
Maybe on another planet with a working oven, but here.
Speak English, chief.
What a delicious treat, dude.
I don't think this is safe.
Bon appetit, guys. You can go ahead and dig in.
This is not safe to eat.
Fuck.
Augie, this is not safe to eat.
It is safety. Okay, so
Oh,
pick
God.
your pieces, guys. You first. You first. You second.
I just ate.
No,
I
you didn't. I had a hot dog too.
I just ate it.
Can you fucking dig in? I literally made this just for you.
Actually,
Watch out! You gotta get some berries in
You
it.
gotta get some berries.
Get some berries in it. You didn't get any sugar either, did you? Victor, can you take a bite, please? Victor, can you please take a bite? He's an honorary chef, so.
Stop facing the camera, Logan. You gotta make it look good.
Dig in. Here, dig in. Dig in.
Crove of garlic.
You know what they say? A good chef never eats his meals.
They always say a good chef. Wait, what?
The chef never eats. Oh, look at that drip.
wow, Rob.
Oh,
Oh, a gag of deliciousness. Awesome.
my compliments to the chef.
What?
My compliments to the chef.
You know what they say? Bon appetit.
Fuck you, I ate that shit.
I can't. They're not that bad.
Put some garlic in it, you fuck.
You know what it tastes like?
Oh fuck.
That it tastes like
Daddy.
kind of tastes like. You ever had those cakes? My fellow chefs. We ever had those. There are those cakes where it's all it's like berry and whipped cream. It's like a
Oh yeah, it's like
a berry tart. Kind of tastes like a berry tart. My take on a berry tart.
Why the fuck did you feed me garlic?
Yeah, let's French bread it.
Yeah. French bread because we bought French bread.
So release your hand so it's just our mouths holding it up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my workout plan. Today we're gonna start with the meal. Meal is always what you want to go for. This right here, delicious workout meal. Only 200 calories per bite. You got bread.
A good chef
You got
never enjoys his own dish.
You got bread, you got berries, some fucking raw eggs, because I know you're into big men. You're gonna wanna get that mad workout in with your eggs. You're gonna wanna do 40 push-ups, eat a bite, 40 push-ups, eat a bite.
How much will one cum get me of this meal?
Oh, you can get the whole plate.
40 bites.
So I'm gonna take a bite. Oh fuck, that's wet.
At least I usually stick with one type of berry during my meal.
It's okay, baby boy.
Okay, I'm fine.
Wow.
Oh, that's solid. Holy fuck.
Rate that on a 10 out of 10. I'd probably eat it again. I'm not. I'm crying. It smells like kids' cuisine.
I always love the kid cuisine desserts, and honestly, that's what I
Just the
usually.
dessert portion?
I mean, I usually was like, I chow down my
Mac and cheese.
mac and cheese.
You put a fucking raw egg in a whipping cream.
Yeah, but fuck you, fuck you. I think that was a success. I'm not sure about you guys. I thought that was pretty good. Oh, hey guys, dessert.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Can I get a spaghetti?
Oh my god, that was so fucking much heavy whipping cream.
That's. I did eat it. I mean, really fucking good.
Wow, I love warm milk. Think about snot when you drink that. Not that much. What's your fucking problem, Joel?
It's coming out of my nose.
This is a shit show. I wanted a cooking video, not Joel literally throwing up.
I can't take a sip.
Oh, that's so thick. It's so fucking thick.
Victor, you got a little dangler right about like there. All right, guys.
Thanks for watching. Leave a tri-valve. Smash that tri-valve. Thanks for Trive.
Meme.
Please leave. Please. Dear God.